Jean is lovely. She's just lovely. She's very warm. She's sensitive and caring and respectful.
But she is definitely a worker bee as well. Jean does not sit still very long. She's a very high energy, very kind woman.
She treats people how they deserve to be treated.
I think if you meet my mom, it's evident right away how much she cares about other people and is always working to help other people.
I would say from my childhood on, it was just a part of our family to be of service in some way. That if you went to buy some groceries, you bought some extra to bring to a family. Why not? It just makes sense. The need is there. And it was one that I could work into my nighttime availability. I certainly could get involved here in the community.
It's hard to put into words exactly what she does because she just does it so flawlessly.
She comes over to my house and is working all day watching my daughter. She might run an errand related to the pantry with my daughter.
The little one will run up and down the hallway when she's in between her many stops at the community center, and she makes it work.
And then when I get home and she's done with her official job, she then probably goes to the pantry.
I believe all of our jobs have gotten harder in the last 5 years with the economy. And yeah, Jean has rose to the occasion and met that challenge.
In the summertime right now, we're getting a lot of great donations from local farmers. But as we get closer to the wintertime and we're in the wintertime, we are not getting the same donations because it's just not growing here in Maine. So she'll go to local supermarkets to get additional food.
It never ceases to amaze me, the variety of people that contribute in some way. And when I do make calls, it's more that I've been invited to a Rotary meeting or to SAPI or to a Kiwanis meeting to tell them about the pantry, or to a church to make a pitch at their services for volunteers. And it just rolls and rolls.
Jean is just Jean.
She loves doing what she does.
She might not have had lunch, she might not have sat down. She's of an age that most people are retired, but she keeps going. And
she is here likely when nobody else is. And I think she'd be here more if she could get in to the building.
I think she will do it until she absolutely can't do it anymore. I know we've said we all try to get her to ease back a little bit, and she won't.
Congratulations to Jean Riley, a Six Who Care award winner.